Imagine a powerful financial institution brought to its knees by the humble spreadsheet software we use every day. It sounds unbelievable, right? But that's exactly what happened in a recent cyber breach that left a big bank shaken to its core. Let's dive into how hackers cleverly manipulated Excel, turning this commonplace tool into their key to unlocking sensitive information. It all started with an unsuspecting employee opening an email attachment. This wasn't just any attachment. It looked innocent enough, but it was laced with hidden code designed to exploit vulnerable systems. Once opened, the Excel file executed its dangerous script. You see, hackers have discovered that most financial institutions rely heavily on Excel for data processing and analysis. This dependency creates a perfect storm where even the slightest oversight can lead to disaster. The embedded code didn't just stop at the computer. It created a backdoor, allowing the hackers to slip in unnoticed. With time on their side, they meticulously harvested data, from customer information to sensitive financial transactions. Employees were unaware as the hackers operated in the shadows, cleverly masking their presence. The situation escalated when the hackers used Excel's own features against the institution. They leveraged macros, tiny programs within Excel, allowing for automation to execute their nefarious tasks without raising any alarms. These macros can be programmed to do just about anything, and in this case, they were programmed to siphon off data systematically. Imagine a thief silently picking locks and collecting valuables while everyone else is none the wiser. It's a chilling reminder of how important it is to be cautious. The breach continued for weeks, going undetected until unusual transactions triggered internal alerts. Security teams sprang into action, launching investigations to trace the origins of the breach. After analyzing the data trails, they finally connected the dots back to that seemingly harmless Excel file. Lessons were quickly learned. Institutions began implementing stricter email security protocols, increased employee training on recognizing phishing attempts, and heavily scrutinized how Excel was used within their systems. This incident serves as a sobering reminder that cybersecurity isn't just about advanced firewalls and complex software. It also involves educating users about everyday tools they might unintentionally expose to risks. So the next time you open an Excel file, remember, it might hold more than just numbers and calculations. If there's a lesson here, it's that vigilance and awareness are our first lines of defense in the digital world we navigate every day. What do you think of this fascinating blend of everyday tools and cybercrime? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more eye-opening stories.